시선은 깜빡이는 눈이 내게 입 맞춘대 언제 그랬냐는 듯 내 앞에 다가와 Oh 틱톡 틱톡 눈을 굴려보내 힐끔힐끔 또 쳐다보네 볼 듯 안 보일 듯 또 간을 보내 날 담기엔 이 밤이 너무 짧겠지 아슬아슬해 보여 네가 날 흔들 때 숨막히는 chemistry 이건 게임이 아니야 너도 알잖아 우리 불 끌었다 기다려 rewind Baby we can burn it up 지겹지가 않아 Just let it flow with me Our chemistry 끌어왔나게 가까이 Don't stop when you're older 느려질 틈 없는 긴장 속에 널 다듬어 내 손끝에 놀아나는 걸 알면서도 빠져들어 너 벗어날 수 없게 틱톡 틱톡 잔을 채워 너의 deeper deeper 자꾸 쏟아지네 천천히 줄어들어
What's going on, beautiful people? My name is Bo and welcome to our channel Living Los Bakers. We are currently in Montego Bay at the JOIA Resort and we're about to go through a room tour of our Butler swim out suite where Mrs. Baker will be doing the honors and sharing this beautiful, beautiful room with you all. Let's get into it.
Hi, I'm your girl, Mrs. Baker. Don't worry about me, I was just, making sure I look good. But, welcome to our room tour. I'm sure my husband walked you guys through where we're staying. But this is our room with the Butler suite. So let me go ahead and introduce you. So this is our closet. I mean, it's very spacious, as you can see. And it comes with the iron and the iron board. But who needs it? We have a butler who will literally iron for you. I'm not gonna use that, but just use the butler, okay? All right, so as we continue, we have here, I give you plenty bottle of water, okay? This isn't all-inclusive, so you wanna stay hydrated, but you also get wine, okay? Your own wine. For my coffee drinkers and tea drinkers, you also have the Keurig. You have your coffee, your tea, and they also give you chocolate, y'all. I love that. But if you wanna, give your coffee a little spice, go also add that in there. Can't wait. And you have your own, you have peanuts, chips, and pretzels. Y'all been banging these chips, I ain't gonna lie. Down here, you also have a baby wine bottle. Okay. And then you have the mini bar, which is included, and the good thing about it is that they will customize to what you drink. We do not drink beer, so I'm gonna have them to customize it to what we actually drink. Okay, so as we continue, we have another closet. When I tell you have space for days, you have space for days. I mean, you have another closet, you have plenty of shelves, okay? You cannot not have space here. Continue, we have the bathroom. And it is an enormous bathroom. You have his and her sink and fur apart from each other. So he has his space, I have mine, but you have these beautiful plush robes. When I say plush, they're all plush. Okay. Here you have your toilet, your own privacy toilet with your own privacy scale. Close the door, you don't want to see your weight, no issue. Nobody would know but you. Then you have a bathtub, which I absolutely love and I will utilize later because I love taking me a bath. And it looks like it's a jet bath, so I'm definitely going to enjoy that later. Let's see what is in here. It comes with the soft bath, and these are my favorite colors, so I can't wait to use that with the own personal loofah. We have a loofah. Okay, definitely gonna use that there. Here you have a shower, a nice shower Always love the overhead showers. You cannot go wrong with that. One thing I do love about this shower is that you can also block out for privacy. You don't want people to realize you're in the shower or in the bathroom, no problem. Just block it off and these doors close just like that. But ladies, you have to understand, full length mirror. We appreciate stuff like this. You cannot go wrong with this. Check yourself out from head to toe, girl.
Boy!
Whatever floats your boat. Okay, so we're gonna continue to the bedroom. And when I tell you, happy birthday, boo! Happy birthday! Yes, we love it. But once again, have a king size bed with your ornament. You have a desk on both sides. You can plug up the phone. Plenty of space. Once again, I mean, plenty of space. You got your TV. That once again, you staying for 2 weeks, a month, listen, no problem. They got space for days. I mean, they're not cheating, okay? Then we come down here. You gotta watch your step because it's a Disney. They gave us our champagne. I welcome champagne with a fruit platter, which we will indulge in later. And my personal favorite, the little lounge chair, y'all. When I tell you it's so soft, it's soft. So I'm gonna be here looking cute while he working over there. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So I brought my own personal beach bag, but I don't know why. Because they provided us with a beach bag. I have a beach bag with towels and your shoes. So if you forgot it, no problem. They will have one. Continue, and now this is my personalized favorite. We have a swim out balcony, guys. We got a swim out balcony. You gotta love it. Swing. This is where I'm going to be laying because I love swings. Okay, but you also have a couch that you can sit on and listen at this view. Your own swim out. Gotta love it. I'll be in it later. But with that being said, that is all I have for you guys. So the bakers are out. Bye.